Kimi is one of the frontier labs in China that's becoming one of the hottest AI labs that offer models like Kimi K2. And while Kimi has been putting out cutting-edge AI models, they also recently released a feature called OK Computer. And whenever frontier labs extend beyond just LLM innovation to actually use their LLMs to release an application, I'm all for it. It's sort of like getting the OEM product for your car instead of using an aftermarket product. The release of OK Computer to me is Kimi's demonstration of how you can extend their flagship Kimi K2 model to an agentic mode. In other words, while we certainly can use Kimi K2 on third-party applications like Claude Code, Codex, and Klein, OK Computer is Kimi's demonstration of how a strong model like Kimi K2 can be used for agentic modes that end up creating products that look something like this. And honestly, I would be doing a huge disservice if I don't start out by addressing the name OK Computer. In tribute to Radiohead's album in 1997, where the album really evokes the dystopic tension between human emotion and machine intelligence, which is a great reference from Kimi, especially when we think about vibe coding, where a human emotion or vibe is driving the machine intelligence to build products. Okay, with that out of the way, let's start by addressing the why. In other words, why should I care about the new feature from Kimi? What's really unique about OK Computer is the combination of different components. Kimi cites that OK Computer is deep search plus image generation plus lovable, indicating where the strengths of OK Computers are in its ability to actually run deep research as well as natively generate images as part of its abilities, and also its ability to build high quality sites. Let's start with an example by prototyping something with this prompt. OK Computer, research the YouTube channel at Caleb Writes Code and create a portfolio page showcasing its top 10 most viewed videos, each with a generated image, summary, and content details. As you can see, it creates a 7-item task list, and soon after, it goes and opens up my YouTube channel and scrolls through the page to find out what my videos look like. And once it finishes viewing them on the browser, it generated a JSON script and reasoned through the data to get the top 10 videos. And here's a quick side-by-side to confirm that it not only got them, but it also got the order of the videos by most watched videos correctly. Next, the app is actually generating an image for each video based on the content. In other words, it's creating original and model images for each of the videos I have to create a portfolio for my top 10 videos. And as you can see from the left, it generated 10 images where each video reflects the content. The next phase actually goes ahead and starts generating HTML files and all the web components that's needed to build out the site. And once the main components are all done, it goes ahead and creates pages for each of the top 10 videos. And after about 10 minutes, it finished the task and shared a direct link to the deployed site that I can check out. And the landing page has a really cool animation like this, and when I go to the video section, it shows me a portfolio of my top 10 videos on my channel. It also shows when they were released, how many views it has, and it looks like it also generated keywords for each of them. It also created a brief about the creator section where it shows you what it thinks my top 3 strengths are, which is kind of cool. I can also click through each card and find out what the video is about and get more details on it. What I was hoping to see though is actually have a full description of the content that's inside the video, but it's likely that I just wasn't explicit enough in my initial prompt, or maybe that feature doesn't exist just yet. All in all, I think OK Computer is a great mix of practicality, strong reasoning, and reliability of the product that is perfect for prototyping new applications, as well as doing data analysis and general tasks that require multiple steps. And tasks like these typically require you to borrow skill sets from product managers, designers, data analysts, and developers, but OK Computer is a unified version of all of that. To try out the product, you can go to Kimi's website, kimi.com, and the chat mode is free, and trying out OK Computer feature, you just need to click on the option right under it.